Hi there. Janet and Gareth, the Port Monkeys. We are in Lima, Peru today. We're down near the coast in the Miraflores area of Lima. And this is Parque del Amor. And you should know that there are free bathrooms here. There's also a Beso Francis, or it's a crepe shop. Of course, they make crepes with everything in them. They're like sandwiches. See these people eating them? This looks like a tour group from the ship. And this is the park. So it's got these mosaics. I think everything's in Spanish. Besa mi amor. Besa mi mucho, remember? Kiss me, love. So there's a surplus of tourists down here today and a bunch of locals. So it's not all that bad. It's warm, humid. I'm dripping with sweat. Some people are joining me in my walk. We are on a coastal plain above the ocean. You see it down there? On a cliff. Oh! There are people selling things. And then there's this statue. I'm just going to walk around here a little bit so that we can get a better look at the statue. Of course, it's a pigeon magnet. Lots of birds. Oh, there it is. Parque del Amor. See these mosaics up close? See? No pase. Keep off the grass. Well, here's Janet, my Amor. So, from Lima, Peru, this is Gareth.
And Janet. So see you in the next one.
Port Monkeys out.
Bye.
Bye.